The first question that needs to be answered is, what will happen with your marital assets? Simply, marital assets are those assets that you and your spouse have acquired during your marriage. A house, cars, personal property, bank accounts, and so on. Often there are at least a few ways to fairly divide the marital assets. You need to agree on one of them if you want an uncontested divorce. The second question that you need to answer for an uncontested divorce is, what happens with your marital debts? Similar to how assets are treated, in an uncontested divorce, you and your spouse will need to agree on how the marital debts are divided. Marital debts are simply those debts that were incurred during the marriage, no matter who actually owes the bank or creditor. And these debts typically include mortgages, credit card debt, car payments, personal loans, and any other payments to creditors. The third question that you'll need to address is, will there be any alimony? And if there will be, how much and for how long? Lastly, if you and your spouse have children together, then you're going to need to address the fourth and fifth questions that commonly come up in an uncontested divorce: time sharing and child support. The judge will almost always approve of your proposed time sharing schedule as long as you aren't proposing something very odd or something the judge thinks is difficult to accomplish. Also, the child support amount will be approved as long as it was calculated according to the Florida child support guidelines.